Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OPPO Find X8. So first we'll start off by going into the camera and now try recording a video of you speaking. If the video notices that your voice was recorded and you see it right here after you rewatch the video, as you guys can see, for me it works. But if yours is not working, then what you can do is check for the obstructions near the mic hole. It's usually near the charging port, so it's probably right here. Now make sure that none of those ports or edges are covered by dust or debris. And you can also try checking if your case or a screen protector is not covering them. As you guys can see, for me, nothing is covering those holes, so I have nothing to worry about. But you guys need to check it ASAP, because if it does, then it might be the issue. Now, if this still didn't work, then you can simply restart your phone. Let me show you guys how. Basically, click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now simply slide your finger to the restart button and now let go of your finger. Now all we have to do is wait, so I'll see you guys when the phone is turned back on. So my phone turned back on. Now what we have to do is check the app permissions. If your mic is working but it's not working, let's say for the phone app, then simply go over to settings and now go to apps. Here go to app management and scroll down until you see phone, or if you're lazy then simply search for phone right here. Now as you guys can see, we can go to permissions and here we need to check if microphone is allowed. Sometimes it might be set on do not allow, and as you guys can see now mic is not allowed, so we won't be able to use the microphone in the phone app. So always make sure that it's set to allow only while using the app. Now if it still didn't work and your mic is still not working, then what you can do is check for connected devices to the Bluetooth. So go over to your notification center or the control center and now click the Bluetooth here. Make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled, and now if it was enabled, then it probably was connected to some sort of a device like wired headphones. Oh sorry, not the wired headphones, but the Bluetooth headphones, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So just simply turn the Bluetooth off for now and now try and use your microphone, because sometimes just the phone can route the audio input to those devices. So now test it without anything connected to the Bluetooth, and if it still didn't help, then what you can do is try and update your software. Now it helped me a bit with my other phone, so it sometimes might just be a bug. And if you go to system and update in the settings, go to software update and now wait. Here, oh sorry, I don't have the internet connection, so let me pause the video and let me get one. Okay, so I'm back with the internet connection. Now we can go over to the software update and now it's checking for updates. Now if it does not say the version is up to date, then simply update your software. It might help much. But if it still didn't help, then go over to the system and update. Now go to backup and reset, click on reset phone, and here try resetting all settings. Now it might help, but you will lose the internet connection, so you will need to put your password again. So let me reset it. Now let me reset it, and as you guys can see, now we just wait a couple of seconds. Here what we need to do is do the last resort thing if our microphone is still not working, which is resetting our phone completely by clicking erase old data, now clicking clear old data, and now clicking clear here. Now make sure to back up your data first because it's very important not to lose everything you have on the phone. And after that, if your microphone is still not working after setting the phone up, then what you can do is check for any damages inside. It may be damaged, and so what you guys need to do is visit the service to get that fixed and get the professional diagnosis, not mine. So as you guys can see, that will be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.